Hello, this is Ed Burke with PlaceForTraders.com for Thursday, May 21st. Starting off in the June Mini S&P. In my last video, I talked about the pivot level for Wednesday of 909 even. Above 909 even in the June Mini S&P was considered bullish for Wednesday. Below 909 even was considered bearish. I had the first line of support down at 902 even. The first line of resistance up at 914 and a quarter. The second line of resistance up at 921 and a quarter. Now these are 15-minute bars going way back late Tuesday evening. You could see that the first level of support, we tested the first level of support very near there a few times. Then going into early Wednesday morning, the market bounced off that first level of support, going over the pivot level. By the time the regular trading session opened, we were very bullish, already above the first level of resistance, up at 914 and a quarter. Soon after the open, we went above the second level of resistance, going to a high of 923 and a half. The market then sold off that second level of resistance. When we came back in here early in the afternoon, I did send messages out to people. I said we broke through the pivot level. The market was very bullish in the morning. Don't view this break in the pivot level as the market turning bearish. I said there could be some support in there. The market did bounce off that level around the pivot and went right back up to the first level of resistance. You can see it went to the first level of resistance. Then in the late afternoon, the last hour of trading, we broke through the pivot level once again. I did send messages out to people saying it looked like the market was going to be bearish for the remainder of the day. The market sold off into the close, settling down at 900 even on Wednesday. For Thursday, I'm looking at the pivot level of 908 even. Market needs to stay above 908 even for a bullish market for Thursday. Like I said, market settled way down at 900. I'm looking at the first level of resistance at 916 even. The second level of resistance at 932.75. For support, I'm looking at the first level of support at 892 and a quarter. The second level of support down at 883 and a half. Some numbers that come out Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, you have initial jobless claims. The expectation is for 620,000. And then at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, you have leading indicators. The expectation is for a rise of 0.5%. Also at 10 o'clock, you have the Philly Fed number. The expectation is for a negative 18. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.